Hi children, good morning everyone, and this is the class 3 children science, and yesterday we have completed this one, how animals feed. Now we are going to see the next topic, animals that swallow their food, like how animals feed on their food, that we are going to see. Animals that swallow their food, some flesh eating animals like snakes swallow their food whole. If you can see in this picture, like the snake swallows its food whole, means the whole animal is going to swallow. Which animal? That is snake. Snake is swallowing the whole animal, okay, whether that's frog or insects, anything, okay. They do not bite or chew their food because they don't have teeth, right? And they can't chew also, they can't bite also. So they do not have biting or chewing teeth, they are directly swallowing, okay. A frog swallows insects, it has a long and sticky tongue, okay. Now you can see here children, an insect gets stuck on the long and sticky tongue of a frog. So this is the long and sticky tongue of the frog, and you can see a fly is sticking on its tongue, and then it is swallowing. It shoots out its tongue to catch insects. It shoots out from the body, it is coming out of the body, and then come out the means it's not removing, it's just shooting out, it is just popping out. Yes, the insect that gets stuck on the tongue makes a tasty meal for the frog, okay. So obviously for their it will be tasty for them, not for us, okay children. So this is the few animals are swallowing their food, okay, with the help of sticky tongue, okay. Turn the next page children. Animals, some flesh eating animals. Now we are going to learn about flesh eating animals only. Yes, so this is lion and this is dog. These animals tear and chew flesh. Animals that tear and chew flesh. Some flesh eating animals like lions, tigers, foxes and dogs chew flesh and bones. Yes, and they have very sharp, so they have very sharp, pointed and curved front teeth to tear the flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. So what they have children, they have very strong grinding teeth at the back as well as the front teeth, which helps in tearing, and then so that they can tear the flesh and chew the bones also. They are just crushing the bones inside the mouth and they can eat. Yes. Next one, animals that gnaw. Gnaw means to bite something repeatedly or chew it hard. Gnaw means to bite something repeatedly or chew it hard. Animals like rabbits, rats and squirrels gnaw their food and have very sharp front teeth. These teeth help them to bite into seeds and fruits. So if you are seeing the squirrel as well as rabbit, the rodents, basically the rodents means squirrels, mice or rabbits. Yes, these are they are just doing what? Gnaw. Gnaw means what children? Here G is silent, okay. They are just chewing and repeatedly on the food. And they have very sharp front teeth. If you see here, the squirrel has very sharp front teeth, even the rabbit also very sharp front teeth to bite the seeds and fruits also, okay children. So these are the animals which gnaw. Animals that eat grass and chew the cud, okay. So this is about the animals which are not eating the flesh, they are eating the grass, okay. So even the gnawing also, they are not flesh eating animals, even they are also plant eating animals, okay, or plant products. Animals that eat grass and chew the cud. Some grass eating animals like cows, buffaloes and sheep first swallow the grass without chewing it. First they will swallow it, okay. First they are grazing the grass, first they swallow it without chewing it. After some time they bring it back to their mouth. After that what happens? They bring it to their back. Then they chew it with their grinding teeth. Whenever it is coming back from the digestive system, that is called as cud. Okay, and what they are doing, children, they chew with the grinding teeth, because their grinding teeth is strong, but it is not strong as the flesh eating animals. Okay, children, this is called chewing the cud. What do you mean by chewing the cud, children? Let us see. Some grass eating animals first swallow the grass without chewing it. After some time, they bring it back to their mouth. They chew it with their grinding teeth. This is called as chewing the cud. They also have biting front teeth to cut the grass. Obviously, their front teeth is very sharp to cut the grass. Watch these animals graze. You can actually hear the sound they make. So if you see these animals swallowing the grass first, when they are going to the fields, they first swallow it, and then they bring swallow. After that, when they are seated or when they are going into the cattle, then they continuously chewing. Most of the you have seen in the cattle, right? Yes. And you found it some voices also coming from their mouth. Okay. Animals that lap milk or water. Some animals like cats and dogs lap milk or water with their tongue. Okay, this lapping milk is also called as slurping milk. Okay, so few animals, they also lap milk or water like dogs and cats. Okay, children, do this one, children. Circle the correct answers. Animals need food to sleep, grow or bathe. That is grow. Please circle, children. I have ticked now, you just circle it. Okay, here you have to circle. Animals that eat only the flesh of other animals are called obviously carnivores. Those are eating the flesh eating animals. A frog has a long and sticky tongue. Yes, it has sticky tongue. It is shooting out of the body, and then it will be catching the insects, to catch insects. Animals that chew the cud are mostly herbivores. Obviously, those who are chewing the cud, they are what? They are herbivores, means plant eating animals. Okay, children, I hope you have done this. Okay, and try to find off all the things, children. Animals that chew the flesh, gnaw and swallow their food, everything you have to go through it, and please do this, children. I will check in the Zoom classes whether you have done it or not. Okay, children. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye.